In part 1, I built the NC-RSI indicator, an engine that cuts out 38% of the fake signals generated by the standard RSI. But an indicator alone is not a strategy. If you just buy every time the RSI is oversold, you are going to catch falling knives. Today, I am turning the NC-RSI into a complete trading strategy. I backtested it over 2 years, and the final audited return is nearly 80%. And stick around until the end, because I am giving the indicator away for free. To fix the falling knife problem, we need a context filter. I loaded up 3 months of 1-hour EURUSD data, which is over 1500 candles, and I plotted 5 indicator candidates on professional candlestick charts. I tested Bollinger Bands for mean reversion, the ADX for trend strength, the MACD for trend following, ATR bands for volatility, and the Supertrend for breakouts. Visually, the ADX and the Bollinger Bands looked like the best companions for our NC-RSI. So, I ran a quick, naive backtest over 2 years of data. I just told the code to buy the signal and hold for exactly 5 candles. The NC-RSI plus Bollinger Bands won with a nearly 58% win rate. The NC-RSI plus ADX came in second with 55%. But this was an illusion. Holding for 5 candles is not a real strategy. It ignores stop losses, take profits, and market structure. So I built a real backtesting engine. I added a 1 ATR stop loss and a 2 ATR take profit, giving us a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. This code is completely free from look-ahead bias. Every indicator uses only past data. I tested 3 real setups. Setup A was Bollinger Bands, Setup B was the ADX filter, Setup C was ATR bands. Before adding costs, the ADX setup made a 73% return, but we have to add slippage and spread to know our real net return. After transaction cost, the NC-RSI plus ADX setup returned 63.71% over 2 years with a profit factor of 1.12. The ATR bands generated 0 trades and the Bollinger Bands barely broke even. But here is the most important question. Is this 80% return because of the ADX filter, or is the NC-RSI actually the secret sauce? Would the standard RSI give us the same performance? I ran a 6-way head-to-head battle, standard RSI versus NC-RSI, across all 3 filters. The results shocked me. When paired with Bollinger Bands, the standard RSI actually beat the NC-RSI, making 39% compared to just 4%. Because the NC-RSI is already smooth, adding Bollinger Bands on top of it creates double smoothing and too much lag. But when we look at the ADX filter, the NC-RSI absolutely crushed the standard RSI. The standard RSI plus ADX made 22.40%. The NC-RSI plus ADX made 63.71%. That is a massive 41% improvement. The NC-RSI caught 909 high-quality trades, while the standard RSI only caught 560. It sees opportunities the standard RSI completely misses. Let me prove it to you visually. Look at these 4 charts. Here is a winning long setup, and here is a winning short setup. The yellow arrow is our entry, the red line is our stop loss, and the green line is our take profit. Now look at these next 2 charts. This is the exact same trade, but I overlaid the standard RSI as a white dashed line. Notice what it did? It never even crossed the threshold. The standard RSI hovered at 35, while my NC-RSI dropped below 30 and triggered the winning trade. If you were using the standard indicator, you would have sat on your hands and watched this profit go by. Numbers and charts are great, but consistency is what matters. As you can see, here is the monthly performance for 24 months. Out of 24 months, the majority were profitable, proving this edge is consistent and not just a lucky streak. If you found this research valuable, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. If you want the NC-RSI indicator, it is completely free. Just subscribe to Algo Quant Trading, take a screenshot of your subscription, and DM me or email it to me. You will get your unique activation key within 24 hours. See you in part 3, where we will turn this exact strategy into an automated MT5 bot. Trade systematic. Verify everything.